Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you the most important setup step for Namkos Progress Bar, enabling the app Embed. Without this step, your progress bars will not appear on your store, no matter how many promotions you create. This is a one-time setup that takes less than 10 seconds. Let's get started. On your dashboard, look for the app status component near the top. This collapsible card shows the health of your installation. Click to expand it if it's collapsed. You'll see a checklist of setup items. Each item has a status indicator. Green means everything is working correctly. Red or yellow means action is needed. Right now, you likely see that the app Embed status is showing as not enabled. This is the issue we need to fix. Let me explain what each status item means. Promotions created/published shows if you have at least one promotion configured. Discount conflicts verifies that automatic discounts are set up correctly in Shopify. Components created shows if any progress bar components are published. App Embed enabled checks whether the theme extension is active. This is required for any progress bars to display. The most critical one right now is the app Embed. Let's enable it. You can click the Open Theme Editor link in the app status component or navigate manually. I'll show you the manual way so you understand the process. In your Shopify admin, go to Online Store in the left sidebar. Click on Themes. Find your current theme, the one marked as Current Theme, and click the Edit Theme button. This opens the Theme Editor. This is where you control how your store looks. In the left sidebar, look for App Embeds. This section is usually near the bottom. Click on App Embeds to expand it. Here you'll see all apps that have theme integrations. Find Namkos Progress Bar in the list. Right now, the toggle is off. This is why your progress bars aren't showing. Click the toggle to turn it on. The switch should now be highlighted. Very important. Click the Save button in the top right corner. If you don't save, the change won't apply. Wait for the save to complete. You should see a success message. Now let's go back to the Namkos Progress Bar app to verify everything is working. On the dashboard, find the app status component again. Click the refresh button if needed to update the status. This checks your current configuration. The app Embed status should now show as green, indicating it's enabled. When you see green check marks, you're ready to create promotions. Some items might still show as incomplete if you haven't created promotions yet. That's expected. Your app Embed is now enabled. In the next video, we'll explore the dashboard in detail and understand all the features available to you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.